Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to clone apps on Android. If you want to clone an app on your Android phone, meaning you want to use two versions of the same app, here are a few easy ways. First is, check for an official second version. Some apps have an official business version. For example, WhatsApp offers WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business. You can install both and use them separately. Second, use your browser. For apps like Instagram, X or Twitter, or Facebook, you can use the regular app and then log into another account through your browser, like Chrome, without needing to clone the app. Third is to install a duplicate APK. If there is no official second version, you can download a second version of the app as an APK file. Open Google Chrome, search for the app's name plus APK, and download it from a trusted site. Make sure the file is safe and free from viruses before installing. Cloning apps on your Android is easier than juggling multiple accounts on one app. Just use the second app version, your browser, or a safe APK. No more logging in and out like it is a full-time. No more logging in and out like it is a full-time job. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Share it with your friends and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips that make your phone work smarter. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.